Hello, good morning guys. How are you? It's Sunday. It's Sunday. The weather no good. It look like gonna rain. Very cold outside. We need to harvest our chicken for our tinola.
Oh, nahulog na.
Oh, this my. We're gonna harvest for the tinola, chocos. This what you call the.
Sige na, paputol.
Sayote. Look the sayote, all good na. Oh my God.
Doon pa muna sa likod, marami pa doon.
Too many now. Too many now, guys. Harvest time. Oh my God. Oh, I think enough.
We have to take it pa para lumaki yung iba.
Okay.
Lahat ng malalaki kunin mo na. Para during the week din ako lalabas. No more there. This way.
Sayote time.
May salakot pa talaga siya. Ito, yung big one na yan pa. This one, no?
It's still small.
No, take it pa, please, please.
Lalaki pa yun eh. Baby pa oh. This one, the big one, all. Oh, this one. Oh. All too many big now. Oh. Underneath.
How about this? That one is big already, ma. That's ready to go.
Woo.
This one not yet. Ang daming pa niya, guys. So
Too many, guys.
You're not cutting.
Oh, guys, look. Very cold, that's why.
Ilan, how many?
Look.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11.
Oh my God, 3, 6, 9, 10. Only 10.
10.
But the rest, look. Oh my God.
This one's not ready, though.
Nah, two.
Did you see the one underneath?
I get already. This one.
Alam mo, mas maliit nga yan dun sa kabila eh.
Oh, no, this is big. Alright, it's up to you.
This
11.
one is...
11. 12.
Oh, another one.
Wait. 12, 13.
That's it.
14. Oh my God.
Para they can grow again.
Ooh. God, we got a
Good harvest.
good harvest and a good vegetable.
Okay.
We're gonna cook tinola and
Vegetable and ginisa.
Stir-fried chocos. In a fork.
Okay, let's go. Thanks, guys.
It's 10:30 already.
Thanks, guys, for watching.
Thank
Bye.
you very much. I love you all.